Hi everyone, my name is Chris, I live here in Macau, and for today's video, I am going to feature 190 of 1000. This is ancient rock carvings located in Chick Peak beside prison, here in Lantau Island, Hong Kong. Now according to the website, there are 9 ancient rock carvings discoveries scattered across the island of Hong Kong. This rock carving is estimated to be around 3,000 years old based on its symmetry pattern, which are similar to those on pottery, fragments, and bronze vessel from the time period. On 1979, it was declared a national monument by the Hong Kong government. Kaya ganito na lang pagpapahalaga nila sa isang bato, nilagyan pa nila ng rehas in order to preserve and protect the landmarks. Target ako mag-solo camp, wala akong cameraman, kaya sinetap ko lang yung tripod ko. Doon sa campsite na pupuntahan ko, walang source of water, walang source of electricity, ibig sabihin doon madilim. Makakayanan ko kaya ang lahat? Magtatagal kaya ako